Hey, friend. I want to talk to you about something real today. Something a lot of people feel but rarely say out loud. If you're going through a tough season right now, if life feels heavy, confusing, or hopeless, I want you to hear this. No matter what's happening, you can get through it. And no matter how strong the storm feels, it will not last. Storms feel permanent when you're in them. When you're hurting, it's easy to believe the lie that this is just how life is now, that nothing will change, that you're stuck in a chapter you didn't choose. But storms only feel permanent. They never are. Let me tell you about someone you probably know. Danny Trejo. Most people see the tough guy from the movies. But before Hollywood, Danny lived through storms that would break most people. Addiction, prison, violence, chaos, years of believing his life would never change. He thought he was done. He thought he was trapped. He thought the storm was permanent, but it wasn't. In one of the darkest moments of his life, he reached out for help. One small step, one decision to try something different. And that decision changed everything. He got sober. He rebuilt his life. He became a mentor. He found purpose, and eventually he became one of the most recognizable faces in Hollywood, not because he was lucky, but because he refused to let his past define his future. Your storm will pass too. Whatever you're facing right now, fear, grief, addiction, financial stress, loneliness, it is not permanent. There are ways to get help. There are people who care. There are tools and resources that can guide you through this season. You don't have to fix everything today. You don't have to pretend you're okay. You don't have to carry the weight alone. You just have to take one small step. If this message speaks to you, I go deeper into this in my latest blog post, where I break down practical ways to take that first step when life feels overwhelming. You can find the link in the description. Storms shape you, but they don't define you. Pain teaches you, but it doesn't own you. Your past explains you, but it doesn't limit your future. You are stronger than you think. You are more capable than you realize, and you are closer to a breakthrough than you know.